shining everywhere. Football fever fills the air. Every nation waves the flag. Dreams are carried on their backs. Crowds are screaming loud tonight underneath the glowing lights. Every player wants the crown. Nobody is backing down. Feel the fire in your soul. Football makes the planet whole. From the streets to giant towns, people dancing all around. Children wearing jerseys proud, singing songs and cheering loud. Every heartbeat feels alive as the teams begin to rise. Different cultures, different names, still united by the game. Come hear the people sing, feel the joy that football brings. Another page, breaking borders, ending rage. Dreamers running on the field, never ready now to yield. Sweat is falling on the grass, history begins to pass. Every keeper, every save shows the courage of the brave. Voices rising through the night as the stars begin to shine. Come feel the energy, World Cup brings humanity. Hey! Spirit worldwide. Young boys dreaming every day, hoping they will find their way. Girls are singing in the crowd, strong and fearless, standing proud. Football teaches us to fight, to keep chasing every light. Every smile and every tear shows the love that brought us here. Come hear the thunder roar, we are stronger than before. Wants the fame, every captain leads the game. Midfield masters guide the flow, making magic as they go. Every whistle, every call makes emotions rise and fall. Still the spirit never fades, even through the toughest days. One more chance to touch the sky, one more dream before goodbye. Drums are beating through the streets, everybody feels the beat. Every country, every race celebrates in one embrace. Football speaks without a word, still its message can be heard. Every culture, every face finds connection in this place. Come, let the whole world see. Football means unity. Raise your flags into the sky. Let your dreams come alive. Feel the power, feel the flame. Everybody knows the name. Come hear the people sing. Football is the heart of kings. Hey, 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 hey. Come on. Come, let the whole world move. Feel the rhythm, feel the groove. Every nation side by side with the passion burning bright. Come hear the stadium roar. We are stronger than before. Football brings us all tonight under one eternal light. Every player gives their all, standing proud, refusing fall. Every crowd begins to sing, voices rising like the wind. Hope is stronger than the fear, victory is drawing near. Every heartbeat, every sound shakes the magic through the ground. Come hear the thunder call, football rises over all. Hey! Underneath the neon skies, every dream begins to rise. Young and old together now, sharing love without a doubt. Every corner of the earth celebrates the game tonight. From the villages to towns, joy is spreading all around. Feel the movement, feel the pride. World Cup spirit worldwide. Champions born beneath the rain, turning pressure into fame. Every tackle the dream, more than just a simple game. Feel the magic in the air, unity is everywhere. No more borders, no more fear, only passion living here. Every player, every fan, part of one united land. Through the joy and through the pain, football always will remain. Come, come, hear the voices fly underneath the endless sky. Every player gives their all, standing proud, refusing fall. Every crowd begins to sing, voices rising like the wind. Hope is stronger than the fear, victory is drawing near. Every culture, every face finds connection in this place. Feel the fire, feel the sound, as the world keeps spinning around. Becomes a story, filled with courage, filled with glory. Every second matters now. Every player takes a vow. Fight with honor, Fig.